The 19th Asian Games closed on Sunday under the theme of Enduring Memories of Hangzhou for the closing ceremony, highlighting the power and unity of sports and the Asian Games. A Pakistani athlete said the Hangzhou Asian Games played a big role in bringing all these countries together and promoting human solidarity.
As an athlete, I saw it. It was a very successful event. I saw a lot of different countries' athletes coming together, sharing their cultures and performing there. So, yeah, and obviously that opening ceremony and the ending ceremony, I see it a huge success. Hangzhou Asian Games, as I said earlier, they played a big role in bringing all these countries together, promoting human solidarity. All these athletes competing with each other, and when you're competing with each other, you make friends also. So that brings unity. So in that way, again, I would say it was a great success. You can never neglect the power a sports has, when it comes to unite people or country or relations for that matter. You see, China, as it is apparent, it believes in inclusiveness, openness, harmony, peace, unity, and which they projected very well in these Hangzhou Asian Games, and which is, to me, is the core spirit of sports. Yeah.